So essentially, Tsugi tiles is a wooden modular tile that's made out of offcuts from this manufacturer that we're working with, and they have tons of like wooden offcuts and waste that they usually just dispose. So we're thinking of like using them and giving it a new life to it, and the way we piece them together, it's almost like a puzzle piece. So it's a tile that people can easily customize to their own liking. With this 1x1 tile format, we can actually like sell them as clip-ons. So you can just install like a frame system on your walls and then just clip it on, like how you would install any sort of timber cladding on your walls. Another way to do it is also to work with your applicator. So if you have like a carpenter who's doing some sort of wall feature in your house, we can get them to install these Tsugi tiles directly onto the wall without any clip-on system. Yeah, so that gives you a bit more freedom in how you design the patterns. Yeah.
I like Jun Ong and his team. They are very young and creative. The storyline that they have for the product that we invent together is very relevant to the current market situation, and also some of the wastage that we used to throw or we don't know how to recover. With this kind of design, we can recover back some of the value out of the timber. And of course, the design-wise is very pleasing, and also it's easy to mix and match. I like the idea.